SA's manufacturing sector showed a marked improvement in March. ABSA's PMI ticked up by 4 points to 48.7. This marks the highest reading since October last year, driven by a turnaround in export sales. Despite the improvement, though, the index remains below the neutral 50-point threshold and marks the fifth consecutive month of contraction. ABSA says the print underlines the fragility of the sector amid ongoing structural and geopolitical challenges. Mondi is expanding its footprint. The firm has finalized its purchase of Schumacher's Western Europe packaging assets. Mondi says the deal announced in October significantly strengthens its corrugated packaging business, expands its reach in Western Europe, and offers strong vertical integration opportunities. The price has not been disclosed, but Mondi previously shared that the assets had an enterprise value of 634 million euros and would be financed from existing facilities. Renergen's posted a rise in liquefied natural gas production. For the fourth quarter, LNG output rose by 22% due to improved operational efficiency at its Virginia project. Renergen bought the gas project back in 2015 and it started producing LNG about 7 years later. Helium has become a sought-after commodity. A 2024 report by market research firm ID TechX indicates that global demand is expected to almost double in 10 years. Sibanye-Stillwater is powering ahead with its renewable energy ambitions. The miner says its Castle wind farm in the Northern Cape has achieved commercial production, advancing its plans to achieve carbon neutrality by 2040. The 89-megawatt project is the largest private offtake wind farm in operation in South Africa to date and will supply Sibanye's SA operations via a wheeling agreement with Eskom. Further afield, a U.S. bankruptcy judge rejected Johnson & Johnson's $10 billion proposal to end tens of thousands of lawsuits alleging that its baby powder and other talc products cause ovarian cancer, marking the third time the company's bankruptcy strategy has failed in court. Let's take a look for more detail.
A U.S. judge has rejected Johnson & Johnson's $10 billion bid to settle lawsuits claiming its talc products caused ovarian cancer. The firm has been attempting to resolve thousands of cases by placing a subsidiary into bankruptcy. Now the latest ruling came Monday in a Houston court. Judge Christopher Lopez said the bankruptcy move did not have sufficient support from women who claim J&J products caused cancer. He said it also went too far in releasing legal claims against other entities, such as retailers who sold the firm's products. J&J says cancer patients would have received up to $150,000 each as part of the settlement, but opponents of the plan say it's a bad faith move to dodge full accountability. Now the company says it won't appeal the new ruling, but nor will it settle the cases. In a statement, J&J said it would return to court to defeat what it called meritless claims. The firm faces lawsuits from over 60,000 people claiming that its baby powder and other talc products contained asbestos and caused cancer. J&J, which started selling baby powder back in 1894, has rejected all such allegations as false. However, it stopped using talc in such products in 2020, switching to cornstarch instead.
And Tesla sales in France and Sweden fell year on year for a third consecutive month in March, contributing to the lowest first quarterly sales figures in the two countries since 2021 for Elon Musk's electric car brand. Here's more detail in this report.
Tesla's struggles in Europe continued in March. Data showed Tuesday's sales in France and Sweden fell year on year for a third consecutive month. It contributed to the electric vehicle giant's lowest first quarter sales in the two countries in 4 years. Analysts expect data from France, Sweden and other key European markets on Tuesday to provide important indicators. They think it could demonstrate consumer sentiment towards Tesla and hint at the group's global first quarter delivery numbers, which are expected on Wednesday. For March, Tesla registered 3,157 car sales in France, down close to 37% on the year. It scored 911 in Sweden, also down around 64%. Tesla currently faces challenges in Europe. The EV maker has a smaller, aging lineup, while traditional rivals and new Chinese entrants launch fresh, often cheaper electric models. CEO Elon Musk is a close ally of US President Donald Trump, and his support of far-right parties in Europe also appears to have hurt sales in the region. Tesla cars have become targets for vandalism across several countries, while Tesla takedown protests are planned across Europe and the US.